What's up guys, DawnOfScripts here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a data save for a leaderboard on Roblox Studio. So first things first, open up your Roblox Studio and open up either an old place or create a new one. Next you're going to want to open up your toolbox and search leaderboard, or click the leaderboard in the description below. So you're going to open up your leaderboard and it should look something like this. So what we need to do is add a data save, or as Roblox calls it, a data store. So we're going to type local data store equals game, get service, data store service, get data store, and then you're going to call this whatever you want it to be called. For me, I'm going to be lazy and just call it data store. So now to find our data store, we need to make a key so it knows which player has entered the server. So we're going to do local key equals player hyphen player dot user ID. What this will do is we'll get the user ID of the player entered the game and save it as the key. So now we're going to define the saved values. Local saved values equals data store get async key. What this will do is from the key, the player, it will get the data store and the saved values in it. So now we need to type if saved values then, and then you want to type whatever saved values you have. So I'm going to do gold first, so we're going to type gold and then the value of gold, so gold dot value equals saved values 1. What this will do is save the value of gold in save values, and it'll be the first save value. So next we're going to want to do what other stats you have on your leaderboard. For me, I have XP, so I only need 2. So XP dot value equals saved values 2. So now we need to do it if the player does not have these saved values. We need to make sure that they're going to save these values. So local values to save equals gold dot value and XP dot value. So this will save the gold and XP inside the player, and then we're going to want to set this into a sync in the data store. So data store set async key values to save. So this will create the stuff when the player joins the game. But what about when the player leaves the game? So for that we're going to want to insert a script into our workspace, and we're going to want to call this leave save. So in this script we are going to define our data store again. Probably easier if you copy and paste it from the other script, just so you don't have to type anything. And then you're going to want to type game dot players dot player removing connect function player. So whenever player is removed, it will trigger this, and the player that's removed will be known as player. So local key equals player dot player dot user ID. Again, we need to get the ID of the player to make sure it's the correct player and know what leaderboard stats that need to be saved. So we now want to do local values to save equals player dot leader stats dot gold and dot value and player dot leader stats dot XP dot value. And then we're going to set a sync again into the key. So data store set async key values to save. So this will save the values into the player when they leave the game. Although one thing we do need to do if you want it to work in Roblox Studio is go on to configure your place and tick the box enable API servers, and this will allow it to save the leaderboard while in Roblox Studio, and it will also use that save on Roblox Player.